Hi, my name is George Stocker, and this talk is on Screaming Architecture. Whenever I've joined a new project, I always had to take a little time to figure out where the code went. If I tried to fix a bug, am I putting the code in the right place? Does this module do what I think it does? Am I going to get in trouble for putting this here? All of those questions go through my mind. And sometimes I wish it were easier to structure projects. What I didn't realize, and what I know now, is that the way we structure projects can determine how successful our software project is. Normally, MVC frameworks are very opinionated about where you put code. A typical MVC application has very strict places as to where you put your controllers, your views, or your models. Even in some frameworks, they call this convention over configuration. Follow their convention. The problem is, their convention isn't conducive to new developers, and it certainly doesn't tell you where your code should go. All it tells you is how your project should be technically structured. This talk will show you why that's wrong and how we can fix it. In this talk, we'll go over what Screaming Architecture is, what it means for you, and how to change common MVC configurations for today to take into account the lessons learned from Screaming Architecture. The adage is, if you're looking at a building or blueprints for a building, you should know you're looking at a building. Why should the blueprints for a software application be any different? I can show you how to make small and easy changes to your project structure so that new developers have an easier time onboarding, and your current developers may not make the same mistakes they normally make as to where they put code fixes. If you're a software architect or you run an open source project, this talk is for you.